Somebody doing something over there, see? Yeah. Across the waterway, they better than these ones.
There's probably a big one like this. With a big boat and everything. It's just far out.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh. The big tree. Oh, that one even better. Oh. Oh. It started out with that and I was hungry. Oh, look at that one. Finale.
My guns go boom boom. Your guns go pow pow. Like that. Look like them little one. Listen. Hear the little pop. Listen to the big one. Boom boom.
Our finale.
Oh, their finale better.
So we still on the way down there?
I'm talking about the people around the beach.
Yeah, there's some way down there too going down. Oh, you know what that is? That might be that other beach down there. Yeah, I think it's Pompano's or something beach. I bet if you get out, oh well, no, Miami was doing theirs at that harbor. Wherever
Finale,
it
they
was
like
at.
12 of them.
Yeah, they gotta be finale.
Yeah, that was nothing, man.
There we go. This it.
It's not it, Dad. They got 500 more.
You got so much and you trying to get it over
Oh,
with. Yeah, they probably bought someone, they trying to get it over with, but they still got 300 more.
well, at least they ain't got a big cleanup. All the stuff falling in the water.
Killing the sharks.
Grand finale.
Oh.
You don't hear people screaming?
Boo!
Hear them? Listen. You hear them?
Yes, the air conditioner.
I hear them screaming. I hear the people outside screaming.